for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
The high ozone get at me like I never know. I feel your fever from miles around. Pick you up in my car, I won't paint the town. Just kiss me, baby, and tell me right. You're the one for. On my feet now, darling. My lonely days are gone. You satisfied, 'cause you're the one the way you make me feel. You really turn me on. You knock me off of my feet now, darling. But don't let it inside.